Welcome to Installation Guide for Dynaway EAM for Microsoft D365 Business Central. In just a few simple steps, we will demonstrate how you can seamlessly install our extension within your Business Central ERP. If you want to install Dynaway EAM for Business Central, the good practice would be to do it in the sandbox environment first. A sandbox environment provides a controlled and isolated space, separate from the production environment. It allows you to test system features without impacting the live system and affecting the operational environment. You can either choose Sandbox, available in the Business Central, or create a new environment. You can have up to 4 different environments inside Business Central. To create a new environment, you need to press on the cogwheel in the upper right corner and press on Admin Center. Press on New in the left corner and create a new environment. It may take a few moments for the environment to load. After the environment has been uploaded, fill out the form. Choose the name, type, and country. Wait for Business Central to prepare the environment for you. You can see the status next to the name of your environment. Once the environment is ready, it should change to active. Now you have a sandbox environment ready for Dynaway EAM to be installed. Press on the URL link in the details card of your environment. It will redirect you to the landing page of Business Central. The next step would be searching for Dynaway EAM in the toolbar. Click on Dynaway EAM and choose the blue button Get It Now. Wait for the system to respond. Then choose the environment you want to access with Dynaway EAM, so the sandbox environment that you just created or Sandbox 1, available in Business Central. Choose Install and wait for the system to get ready. Choose the language. We currently support a few languages, such as English, Swedish, German, Danish, Spanish, French, or Norwegian. Press on Install, and wait until you get a notification about a Dynaway EAM being installed. After a successful installation, you should set up your license information by searching for Dynaway EAM license information. You can either upload your existing license, download a license that you received from the partner, or register for a free license. After it's done, search for Extension Management. Find Dynaway EAM. Choose Manage in the toolbar, and press on View in the menu. Now you should see the table with information about Dynaway EAM. Ensure that the last setting, Allow HTTP Client Requests toggle button, is activated. It's important for the setup of the system, which is the next step after the installation. In the Extension Management, click on 3 dots next to Dynaway EAM and choose Setup. This will redirect you to the initial setup of Dynaway EAM. If you want to know more about initial setup and how to perform it, you can find a link to our Dynaway initial setup screencast recording under this video. We hope that we helped you successfully install Dynaway EAM. Should you have any questions, reach out to us at help@dynaway.com.